I just wanted to show you our grandson's ride-on toys. The red one we bought for him 2 Christmases ago. He enjoyed it, and then I came home with this that somebody threw out the trash. Got a new battery for it. It works perfectly, and then he likes it better because it's faster. So I'm going to have to tune this one up a little bit. So bigger motors. I already put a resistor on it for the braking, and had to put a charging port on this one because the battery I bought was for the Power Wheels brand battery, which takes that V-shaped charger. So I installed a charging port and an on and off switch, and he really loves that one. And yeah, there's my Cub Cadet that gets the yard done. And then this wheel horse I took in on trade for a snowblower that I'm really thinking about selling. So if anybody's interested in it, let me know. And then this little ride-on toy found in the trash also, somebody threw away, but it had a lot more issues. Needed to replace the gear shifter. Also need to replace the accelerated pedal. But it's still a work in progress. It was set up for 6 volt. I'm wanting to convert it to 12 volt because I know as soon as he gets on a 6 volt cart after riding those 2 12 volt carts, he is not going to like it because he likes to go fast, and he's only 3 years old. His name is Hunter, by the way, and I'm sure you will see him on future videos. But I just wanted to show you some of the toys my grandsons have and we're working on. And again, if anybody's interested in that wheel horse, it's a 1054, and I've found the original 10 horse engine that goes on it. It came with a Predator 420cc. I sold it and I found that one, but I haven't even fired it up yet. I had to buy a new carburetor, bought new tins for it, and there's other parts that go with it. The snow blade right behind it on the floor there, if you can see it, that'll be going with it. And then there's the hood that really don't go with it, but I thought I'd show you some stuff that we'll be working on in the future. And then the 04WJ needs some tender loving care, and it will be getting upgrades in the future. But right now I have a brake light issue, keeps blowing the fuse. The door window on the rear passenger door will go down and not come back up, and then the speaker's not working. So from what I've read online, is sometimes there's the wiring in the door where it comes from the B pillar to the door can screw up. So I have to tear that apart to see what's going on in there. Hopefully I just find a couple shorted wires and then it'll be done. It's already got a brand new regulator in it, and I still got the old one over there. And this is our golf cart. It's a little dirty right now. It's just getting out of storage, but it's a 2010 Easy Go, and the way you see it is the way I got it, minus some electrical fixes I had to do. I had to rewire a lot of stuff on it because it was just messed up. But I'll plan on doing some things to it and sharing with you guys on the channel. Stopped raining a little bit, so I'm going to show you our KL. It's an awesome little vehicle we got, and it does pretty good. We've only had it a couple months, but we really enjoy it. I tell you what, that V6 that they put in these things are awesome. I mean, they don't compare to the 4.0, but I had a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ with the 4.0. I sold so I can buy the trailer to move our golf cart so I wouldn't have to keep borrowing my brother-in-law's. But there's going to be a future video on this vehicle. We'll do the Jeep Easter egg hunt. Find all the Easter eggs on this 2020 Jeep Cherokee Limited. But it's starting to rain again. Well, you all have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Later.